All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna light this up, throw it inside of this vending machine, and everything is finna explode. Yup, that guy right there is me. And you might be wondering exactly how I got here. Well, let's go back a few hours and I'll show you guys exactly what happened. Hello, this is Jaime.
Hi, is this a vending machine company?
Yes, who's this?
I have one of your snack machines here. We're having issues with it, taking people's money. Can you come and place it?
You said it's taking people's money?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be right there now. I'll pick up the machine.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Who was that?
I don't know. It was one of the locations saying that the machine was messing up, so to go and switch it out.
So what are you gonna do?
I mean, it's 4th of July. You know, there's only one thing I can do with it. Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is gonna be lit, like literally actually lit. You guys know today is 4th of July, so there's only one thing I can do for 4th of July. You wanna tell them what?
We're gonna set this on fire.
We're actually gonna be exploding this machine right behind us. You guys were probably wondering, why are we in a huge field with the vending machine right in the middle? Well, yeah, like I said, we're gonna be blowing it up. Do you think it's gonna go to pieces or what?
No.
Like the glass has to shatter for sure. So real quick, before we actually start the video, comment down below, what do you guys think is gonna happen with the machine? But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If y'all do, drop a like, subscribe if you guys wanna see more videos like this. But with that being said, let's load up the machine with fireworks and hopefully we get a pretty good boom. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hey, poppin' like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack, who got the roll up? I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I fit for the.
I'm kind of scared because on the fireworks, it says not light them up near glass or metal. And that's exactly what the machine is. It's glass and metal. So it's gonna turn into a giant grenade. So as soon as we light them up, we're gonna have to dip out and run. And I'm not gonna light it up, so obviously I'm not trying to get hurt. But first, you know, it is a pretty emotional day. This is one of the first machines I've ever bought. We can't just blow it up and let it go. You know what I'm saying? So,
What do you want to do?
before we let it go, I wrote a poem.
For me?
Not for you, for the machine. So the poem is called Goodbye. Dear vending machine, you've made me a lot of money, but everything good in life must come to an end. I will always remember every bill, every quarter, every nickel, and every dime I pulled out of you. All the views you've helped me get, I will always love you. Goodbye.
No.
So these right here are actually the biggest ones we have, and they're gonna be the bigger explosions. So we got these. We got 2 of these actually, just because we want to make sure the machine explodes. But we also have this one over here. This one's another big boy. This one shoots 200 shots inside the machine. Wait a minute, I can still use this too. I should have taken everything out of this machine first.
Should have done that yesterday.
All the coils, all the trays, everything. So make sure you guys drop a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already, because this is a good machine. This is actually one of the best snack machines you can buy, and we're just blowing it up just like that. Well, I mean, how long would it take to get from like the end to the end?
10 seconds.
10 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh my. I was thinking more like a minute, 30 seconds.
You got 10
It's
seconds.
like-
And that's because it's gonna burn a lot faster because they're all gonna be heated up. So you
Yeah.
probably got like 6 or 7.
Oh my. Gilbert, come do this.
You can come do this one right here.
Would you still love me if I have one arm? Yeah? All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna light this up, throw it inside of this vending machine, and everything is finna explode. So here we go. Oh my. Oh my God. Look at that. The whole bag of chips were just like melted. Guys, look at this. I'm not gonna lie, I got scared because one of the fireworks flew right by me. Literally like through my side. Yo, I wanna say I'm sorry, I just left you. Like, I lit it up.
You're gonna like this one. I was like, oh, here we go.
No, I lit this one up and I just saw it going so fast, I was like, I'm out of here. And I just left him.
Like this one up. Like, can you take them up?
Yeah.
You can just pull
it.
it.
Put it right there. Fuck it.
So just that one?
Just like that one.
All right, guys, so we actually have one more set of fireworks. This one's gonna shoot off 10 shots. We thought it was gonna break or everything shattered, but it didn't. So we'll see what this one does. But yeah, I can see the chips and everything. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Oh, there we go. 1. Oh my God, that's a bigger one. God, that's so cool. Oh look, it actually shattered this time. Look at the glass. Oh my God. Look, you can see where it started, right there in the middle.
I light it.
Isn't it hot?
You toss it.
Wait, so I'm gonna hold this?
Yeah, just hold it, nigga. Pussy.
Wait, where am I gonna toss it?
Just toss it in there.
Oh, look at the glass. Oh,
missed
it made a heart. Look at that.
Maybe that's for me.
All right, instead of 1 this time, we got 2. We're gonna light it up. I'm gonna have to get closer. I don't got good aim.
Stop moving. Stop shaking.
I'm not shaking.
Why are you shaking?
I'm not shaking.
How fast can you run?
Me?
Yeah.
Like 60 miles per hour?
Fast,
Yeah. Why? What do you want me to do? No, don't. Oh. All right, you want to play that game, huh? How fast can you run? Oh my. He was trying to kick it back at me.
That looks like fun.
No, don't even say that. It's not fun. It's not fun.
That's not fair. You get to do it, but I can't.
All right, guys, check it out. We're gonna be putting a big one this time in the coin return little chute. Just see what happens. I can see the machine still smoking, but here we go. I don't think that's gonna happen, but we'll see. You ready?
No.
That was a bigger boom than the other ones.
Because it was more compressed.
Yeah. All right, Gilbert. Here, I'll give you $1 if you try one of those chips. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it. Try it.
Look at this one. This is a perfectly good one.
Dang, perfect bag.
Come on. Come on.
Nah, I'm not gonna try it. You better not open it just to give it to me.
They're
You better
good.
Try it.
No, I'm good. There you go. Yeah, that's for his fans. Yeah. Huh?
How fast can you run, Gilbert?
I'm running pretty fast.
How fast can you run? Guys, look at this bag of chips. Look how it melted on top. I would try it, but you know, it has all the firework powder and stuff. Obviously, it's probably not safe to eat. But look at that.
We blew up a car one time.
Really, a car?
Yeah, because we didn't do it on purpose.
You accidentally blow up a car.
Someone left their windows open,
Yeah.
and these got in. And they had cloth seats.
Damn. Yeah, it's all gone. All the glass is gone.
I think you voted the warranty, brother.
No, I think it's still good. Imagine I just call the company. I'm like, hey, like I was just setting up the machine and it just caught on fire. They asked for a picture. I sent them this.
Hey, the riot came through, boy.
Oh yeah, the riot.
The riot came through.
Let it drop, no?
Just let it drop.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
It's so sad.
All right.
I'm gonna miss you. Everything about you. I'm gonna miss you too. I know. I know this is not the way you want it to go, but it's the only way. Don't do this to me. It's not, look, listen to me. It's not because I want to, okay? You think I'm doing this because I want to? Yes.